güzel başladı, çok sıcak başladı. İnsanlar birbirleriyle tanışıyor, konuşuyor, sorunlarını birlikte çözebiliyorlar. Kendi illerinde, üniversitelerinde yaşadıkları sorunları.
Buraya gelmek bir kere muhteşem hissettirdi bana. Yurt dışındaki bir Googler'ın burada gelip bize bilgiyi birebir aktarması benim için muazzam oldu.
Uluslararası Google'larla tanışma hem de bizim yaptığımız çalışmaların uluslararası bağlamda diğer üniversitelerle kıyaslanması ve ileriki aşamaları görmemizi sağladı.
Şimdiye kadar diğer liderlerle hep biz internet üzerinden konuşmuştuk. Diğerlerinin yaptıklarının hep fotoğraflarını falan görmüştük. Yüz yüze konuşma fırsatı bulamamıştık.
Bu kadar insanla bir araya gelmek, hani yüz yüze konuşmak, onlarla aynı duyguları paylaşmak çok güzel bir şey.
Google teknolojileri konuşuyoruz, bilmediğimiz şeyleri öğreniyoruz, bildiğimiz şeyleri paylaşıyoruz ve hepimizin birbiriyle tanışıp kaynaşması için mükemmel bir etkinlik oldu.
Developer student clubs are university-based communities where students learn about Google technology and use their skills to solve local problems.
When I came to first year, I found it difficult navigating a lot of facilities on campus. Most first year students, they found it a major challenge. So I said, okay, this is something that we really need to solve. The DSC is a community where students who are like-minded come together to learn technologies in cloud, Android development, and web development. So after a few workshops, I figured that we could solve accessibility for first-year students. We decided to use the mall as a use case to build a navigation system using AR technology. At first, people were like, this is really a complex problem to solve. But then after we broke the problem down, we realized that all the technologies we had to use, we had already learned them in our DSC workshops.
When I heard about it, I was like, David, I need to join this project because I was lost basically the entire first academic year. And that's what DSC does. It gives you a project and it makes sure that you are well equipped to work on the project.
So we had a lot of volunteers and we broke them into teams. First, we had a Blender team to get a 3D model of the building. Then we had the Unity and Scripted team who got the models and made it interactive and available to the Android team, who built the screens and the app and used Firebase, which stores user data and for business analytics. And we had the UI team who created the designer sets and all the dynamic interfaces you see. Last, we had the documentation team who put everything into one file to make it available to the open source community.
My name is Paul and I study chemistry. I got inspired by attending one of the DSC seminars.
I'm actually very impressed about my brother's journey here because as a computer science student, I just have to focus on the PC parts, computer building apps, but he has something else to do. But he's still taking some time off to help us and he's really doing a good job.
Now I can build Android apps. That means I can use that as a part-time job and maybe chemistry as my full-time job, or maybe the vice versa.
There were times that we had to meet in the evenings. There were times we had to meet early in the morning just to get the project working.
It was hard, but then we looked at the bigger picture and realized that, okay, we can do this. So, yeah, DSC is a family and it's about the learning of teamwork and leadership.
What we've built is not a perfect app, but we've come a long way by being able to use the knowledge that we gain from our DSC workshops. My God, this is cool. Who wouldn't love this?
güzel başladı, çok sıcak başladı. İnsanlar birbirleriyle tanışıyor, konuşuyor, sorunlarını birlikte çözebiliyorlar. Kendi illerinde, üniversitelerinde yaşadıkları sorunları.
Buraya gelmek bir kere muhteşem hissettirdi bana. Yurt dışındaki bir Google'ın burada gelip bize bilgiyi birebir aktarması benim için muazzam oldu.
Uluslararası Google'larla tanışma hem de bizim yaptığımız çalışmaların uluslararası bağlamda diğer üniversitelerle kıyaslanması ve ileriki aşamaları görmemizi sağladı.
Şimdiye kadar diğer liderlerle hep biz internet üzerinden konuşmuştuk. Diğerlerinin yaptıklarının hep fotoğraflarını falan görmüştük. Yüz yüze konuşma fırsatı bulamamıştık.
Bu kadar insanla bir araya gelmek, hani yüz yüze konuşmak, onlarla aynı duyguları paylaşmak çok güzel bir şey.
Google teknolojileri konuşuyoruz. Bilmediğimiz şeyleri öğreniyoruz. Bildiğimiz şeyleri paylaşıyoruz. Ve hepimizin birbiriyle tanışıp kaynaşması için mükemmel bir etkinlik oldu.
Привет. Hello. Servus.
Merhaba.
Hola.
I'm inspired that there's so many people working to accomplish the same goal of creating a connected future.
By having students lead clubs on campus directly supported by Google developers, that's the best way to reach out to students.
It's really inspirational always to hear about members of the community who echo your values and echo your beliefs.
I've been listening more than I've been speaking, and I don't necessarily think that's a bad thing because I'm just getting all these ideas.
Google, it needs to reach a wider audience and be more relatable as a company, and I think Google is one of the brands that is very good at doing that.
Hello everyone, welcome to the live session. Please, if you can hear me, type 1 in the chat. Yes, we start. Oh, Mart. Hello. So we will start soon our session. We are just waiting you to join us and more. Guys.
Merhabalar, hoş geldiniz. Yakında başlayacak canlı yayınımız.
Let's do one more video.
Привет. Hello. Servus.
Merhaba.
Hola.
I'm inspired that there's so many people working to accomplish the same goal of creating a connected future.
By having students lead clubs on campus directly supported by Google developers, that's the best way to reach out to students.
It's really inspirational always to hear about members of the community who echo your values and echo your beliefs.
I've been listening more than I've been speaking, and I don't necessarily think that's a bad thing because I'm just getting all these ideas.
Google, it needs to reach a wider audience and be more relatable as a company, and I think Google is one of the brands that is very good at doing that.
So, hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you will enjoy our info session today. First of all, let me just open my screen. First of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Mohammed El Said. I am the Developer Studying Club leader at this year. And we have here Mert. He is one of the core team, and he will be helping in Turkish part.
Herkese merhabalar, hoş geldiniz. Ben Mertcan Sulpınar, yazılım mühendisliği öğrencisiyim ve Google DSC kulüpte core team member'ım. Türkçe kısımlarda yardımcı olacağım.
If you have any question or anything, we have in the end, we have a Q&A questions part. You can write your question anytime and we will answer all of them in the end.
Eğer sorularınız olursa yayının sonunda sorularınızın hepsini cevaplayacağız. İngilizce veya Türkçe olarak yazabilirsiniz chat kısmına.
Okay, thank you so much. Let me just write this one. Thank you, Mart. I will start in English right now. We will speak in English, our session. And in the end, you can ask anything. Mart will be with us. Okay, thank you, Mart. See you in the end.
See you.
So, welcome guys to Developer Student Club at Üsküdar University. First of all, I want you to know what is Developer Student Club. Developer Student Club are university-based community, grow up for students interested in Google developer technologies. By joining DSC or Developer Student Club, students grow up their knowledge in peer-to-peer learning environment and building solution for local businesses and for their community. Students from all undergraduate and graduated programs with an interest in growing as developer, they are all welcome to our club. For more information, I would like to share this video with you.
Developer student clubs train thousands of student developers globally and work with their communities to solve real-life problems. Google selects amazing students from across the globe once a year to be a developer student club lead and start a club on their campus. These leads believe knowledge is power and that technology can do extraordinary things for the world. They take on the responsibility to help students learn and empower these students to solve real problems around them. Join us in building a global community for students.
Thank you. Where's that super? So let's go next. So as Developer Student Club, we have more than 68 club in Turkey region, and we have also more than 800 club around the world. So we are not just based in our university. We have student clubs everywhere around the world, and we are all of us under Google technologies interest. So what we did so far. Last year in 2019, 2020, we did such a nice activity. We made some good events and some workshop with our friends, as you can see from the photos, if you are following us from last year. And for the new students, I will tell you what's next. So being a member of the Developer Student Club, we are all together trying to do some nice work to grow up your knowledge and find yourself with your how can I say it? Let's say with your interest. Find yourself with some people around you who has the same interest as you in the technology. So our goal, our aim is making an environment for developers so we can share out our ideas and make it grow up with our friends. So because we have the same interest, so we can build together such a nice things, and increasing our community level to make technology easier for everyone. So all of this by using by our event, which is hackathon speaker session. So in hackathon, we are collecting all developers or the students, let's say, under one place, and we are trying to run a program and try to make a project in real time. And speaker session, we are trying to make the speaker, bringing a speaker and speak and give you more information about the technology. So, and we have also study jam workshop. Study jam is one of the latest techniques to let you try to know as fast as you can from that technology without getting deep inside and know everything about it. We have hands-on workshop, so we are preparing the students and the speaker, and we start to make a workshop together and let you know more about this technology and start to make something real example. We have snow demo, which is we are after finishing this, we can make a smaller demo for any project that it's completed. And we have solution challenge, which is we will talk about it later. So by making design and we are making designing of our application. We are focusing in design and programming. So we are trying to make you have the full view of developing anything, and anything, not just application or website, anything that we can do. Then after all of this, we can have a rest. We can just eat a pizza and have a rest. We learn, we design, we program, so we can just have a rest, because the next will be more exciting, which is team and project time. So after finishing learning and after knowing this, you have so much knowledge, so much information. Now is the correct time to collaborate with some other students and start to make a project, and start to make your team, start to make a real project, so you can publish it and start to have this experience about making any project. So as I say, team and project. It is so much important for us and for you as well to make a project, because you are a student. You have a lot of information. You are trying to know more about that technology that you find yourself interested in. So we are trying to help you to make this experience real. We are trying to help you and support you to prove it in the real time. And as I said, in solution, we have a solution challenge event. In solution challenge, we are collaborating with all the students around the world. We are making a competition between all of us to make to see who will make the best program. So we are last year. If you visit Developer Student Club, I will share the link with you in the chat in the question and answer part. If you visit last year, they made so much nice projects. They helped so much people by this project, and all of this under just trying to make a real solution for a real problem in your community. And the other thing is, right now we don't know everything, and you absolutely don't know. You have so much interest. You have so much knowledge. Even if you don't know what is your exactly interest in technology, it's not a problem. You can join the club. You can watch us. You can learn. We are here not as a club. We are here as a community, not as a developer, as a community. Community means that me and you and anyone around us has the same interest in the same technology. We are all of us together, coming together and start to make something. We are helping each other to make something real. And by joining our Discord team, you can start like asking the other guys. Maybe someone of them has the same interest as you. You can start to share your ideas together. You can start to see who has the same interest as you. Don't feel shy to start, because I know starting is the hardest part, but after starting, trust me, it will be so easy. It will be so smoothly to continue. And we are here to helping you. We are here to let you find your interest, let you find your passion, let you find what could be better for you in the technology. So after graduating, and this is the most important part, after graduating, you will have experience about making project. So if you join any company, you have already experience in making almost everything in the project. You can design, you can code, you can think, you can plan. Even if you want to go for marketing and this stuff, we can also do. So all of us together trying to make this real. For example, one of the members, they just joined, he come to me in private and he said, I have some knowledge in artificial intelligence, I think, and in Python, and I want to share it with the others. And I really appreciate that guy, and I just wait for starting the club and start to make activity. Then we can just take him and find who has the same interest and start to do it together. Even anyone, if you don't know anything, just come, attend our event, watch our conversation, watch our speaker sessions. Try to watch. I know it will be hard. Maybe you cannot understand anything at first, but just try, give a try. Because after starting this part, you will find that you have some feeling about any of the technology. You want to get more. You need to get into it more. You want to have more information. So after having this information, we will just come to us and like, hey, Mohammed or the other core team, guys, I want to know more about web or about artificial intelligence. So we will try to prepare and organize an event for you, try to help you to get more, try to make it for you and for anyone has the same interest. Okay. So next, wait a minute. So please feel free to ask any question and try to be active in the group, and we will be exactly next to you and try to help you to grow up and be inside that environment. So now we are coming in the Q&A part. Please, Mart, join me. Hello, Mart.
Hello. Arkadaşlar sorularınız varsa alabiliriz cevaplamak için.
So guys, please, if you have any question, share it with us, and we will be happy to answer for you. I think, tell us please more about your experience in technology. So Karina here tell us please more about your experience in technology. Will you be our teacher? Thank you so much. Yes, I have a little experience in technology, but I'm not that expert yet. I'm still students, like as you. We are almost in the same university and same place. So yes, of course, if I have anything, I will share it with you. And for my experience, I'm developing a mobile application by using Flutter, if you hear about it. And of course, I will be happy to share more experience with you later in the future in some of our events. But of course, we will bring some expert speakers from Google or from other places that they will talk more about this technology and give you brief information. What is the next? Now, okay. Some of them. Sorry. So here, Bilal said, some of us may not know. know what the interest yet, because we are at university. I think we can start some event first, then we can learn what's in the project. Yes, of course. At first, we will try to give you a brief information by making study jam workshops. So after making this, we will give you some information in web, some information in artificial intelligence, some information in mobile application. So after just watching this event, you will have some information, and you will also do a smaller example project on this technology. After knowing them, you will have some information. Then you can just come for us and say like, I feel more interest in mobile. So please try to help me more about it. So we will give you any source code that we have, try to give you any courses around the internet that we know, and also make more activity about it. For example, let's say you and some other friends, let's say you and Mert and maybe Karina or Aziz, the guys over here, all of you has interest in web. So I will just focus with you and give you more information about web and try to make more workshop with you. So in the project part, when you are done in the end of the semester, and project part, we will be ready to make a real project, a real big project. So next. So here we have a question from Mazen, and the club main object is just programming, or do you have some electric interest? Mostly we are in programming part, but we have also like let's say IoT or Internet of Things. It might have some like related topic with electric part, but like in programming it doesn't matter where are you from or what are you studying. You can just be a programmer or developer. We are here for this interest. We are here to help you to grow up in technology by using Google technology. Prefer learn coding. We have here from Aziz. What do you prefer for learning coding and working? Which one do you prefer to choose, front end or back end, slide in developing? I think Mert can answer this question. Hello?
What do you prefer to? Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, yeah.
Okay, what do you prefer for learning code and working? Which do you prefer to choosing? Front-end or back-end side in developing? I think CSS and HTML is very important for front-end. Also JavaScript is for beginning. And the back-end is also the JavaScript and maybe PHP, maybe .NET, what you want to learning. I think it's good for the beginning.
Mm-hmm. I think one more information, even if you don't know, I will give you this as a secret. We are preparing for a web event soon, so you can prepare more questions for our speaker, and he will definitely answer with more details to you about everything. We have here Turkish question for Mert.
Okay. Kulüpte yaptığınız etkinlikte iş hayatının bize ne gibi artıları olacak? Kulüpte yaptığımız etkinlikler genelde bu mecrada olan kişilerle birlikte yapacağımız etkinlikler olacak. Yani siz aslında iş hayatınızda neleri göreceksiniz, aslında onları da etkinliklerimizde göreceksiniz. Bu da size katkı sağlayacak ve bu da aslında bir ekip olabildiğimiz için bir ekip çalışması, grup çalışması yaşayacağız ve üniversite hayatımızda birçok projeyi birlikte yapacağız. Bu şekilde cevaplayabilirim.
Okay. So here we have what language do you guys prefer? We don't prefer any specific language. It's in the end it depends on you. All the programming language are important. All of them are needed in working, like in jobs. I mean, all of them are important. So there is nothing you can say prefer, but it depends on you. What is your interest? For example, you find yourself have you are having a fun in web technology, so you are just going with web. You find yourself in mobile, so you are going with mobile. You are find yourself more happy with any other technology, so you are just going with it. But there is nothing called prefer. Like for myself, I try web. I try web. I didn't like it that much, but I go for mobile. Mert over here, he try web more than mobile application. So it's something. It depends on you in the end. Thank you. And here we have from Shaval. It's great to see your team face. Do you get certificate after workshop? Yes, you will get attending certificate after workshop. And for if we have any big workshop, then we might like collaborate with some companies to give experience for certificate. But generally, our certificate will be attendance certificate. Thank you. And here Aziz again, he said, now I'm HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but I want to learn also PHP and Java programming language. I hope I will learn with you guys. I hope so. I'm really excited to have you in our workshops.
I hope so. I agree with Mohammed.
And here from Bilal, I learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript now too. The other hand, interest in Java and knowing a little bit. I hope work with you two guys. Actually, as you can see here, Aziz and Bilal, both of them are knowing HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So which means they could also like being under one team with, let's say, with Mert or with any other who has interest in web. Then yes, of course we will. Then we can make a let's say a workshop for you and getting know more. And also in outside, they want to learn Java. Of course, why not? We can prepare something for Java or for the others. I cannot wait to have Aziz. So any other questions? We are waiting. For the others, please let me share with you the link that I said I will share it with you. So here, if you want to learn more information about the Developer Studying Club program, here the link. You can get inside and have more information. Also, do not forget to join our Discord channel so we can talk all the night together from there. And one extra thing. Right now, under the COVID-19 problems, I know it's so hard to be active all the time and like having energy to do anything or to learn anything new. But this is not something handleable. We are all of us under this pandemic problems, and I think just being together, I mean, exactly together, like talking every day to each other and trying to make something together, like some activity together, maybe fun, maybe we can play the game together. This will make the pandemic bad feeling less for all of us. I'm right. Am I right, Mert?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay, I will answer. What is happening? We have here a question from Shaval. What is gaming? What about gaming? Are you planning to organize gaming phase? Actually, we can organize gaming, no problem for us. We can plan for it, but for this semester, because finals is about to enter, so it will be a little bit hard to start gaming from right now. So maybe, yeah, and for next semester we can do.
I hope.
I hope so. Most beginners start the programming language here. So thank you, Aziz. And for the first year engineering guys, it's not a problem. I know you just come to university, you just know C program. Not all of you know any other programming language. It's totally fine. We know this. That's why we need you to come and try to be active with us. So we will push you and push ourselves with you to learn more and having more experience. And that's why we are starting from zero. And almost our activity, we will start from zero for you. So you will have like base knowledge about this technology.
Yeah, also I am first year software engineering.
Yeah. And here we have other question from Aziz. When we can start our events, can you say probably time for that session? Mostly our events will be at night because of like most of the students have classes in the morning, and most of us are bored from staying at home. So I think at night is good time. But if you have any problem, please share it with us so we can try to find like time between. And here we have a question from Usman. Why don't we start gaming in the vacation? Why not? Okay, if you have a plan, I'm in. Let me just share it with me. Why not? But if you really want it and some of the other guys want to, just chat in the Discord, just write it in the Discord and tag any one of the core, just tag core team. And we will see how many students over there want to start gaming, and we can organize something together. Why not? Another question here: Can we create some basic games in the second semester? If we start to learn, yeah, why not? Of course we can. I think Mert before tried to he attend some event. He just make a game in how many hours?
48 hours.
48 hours. He made a basic game in 48 hours.
Yeah, it's just beginning of the game. It's name of the global game jam. Maybe, yeah. As you know.
Global Game Jam program.
Yeah.
So like there is nothing impossible. Just start and we will start. Another one. As I said, it's not a problem that's which department you are in, because in the end, our club is just for the student who has the interest. We are not requiring that you must to be in software or computer engineering department. You can be in medicine department, medical department, or anything, video, like television department, like any other department that I don't know their name. But like it doesn't matter. Just if you have interest in technology, just come up and we will be together. On 1 night or 2 weeks in the chance. So Bilal again, yes, why not? We can talk in Discord anytime. Just ask your question and anyone free will just come and answer in and chat. It's not a problem. Any other question? Of course, Bilal, we will be more comfortable to share the idea between each other. Okay, what is our first event will be? For now, our first event, and we are planning for our first event. It will be soon. I will not share the date right now. Let's keep it secret, okay? It will be web, about introduction to web development, and also we have another surprise. We will share it with you in the end of the event. Any other questions? There will be some beta too. I really hope so that we can bring beta too. But inside the pandemic right now, it's a little bit hard. But of course, after back to normal life, we will try to have a beta. Karina asked a question, from which language we will start. We will start with all, but right now we will start with the web. After we made a survey last week, and most of the students or members, they said they want web. So that's why we will starting with web, then we will go with the others. And here we have a question from Aziz. Can we do more practice in the club, bro? Of course we can do. Just we are waiting for starting and waiting for after this semester, because this semester we cannot do anything like any big activity. So that in the holiday and next semester, yes, we will do more practice and more workshops. And we have here a question from Shaima. What if we don't know any programming language? What's the solution? As I said, it doesn't matter, because we will try with you everything at first. So after you trying this on everything, you will have some information about each one of them. I'm not saying trying like getting deep. We have some workshop from Google. They are giving it us. It's called Study Jam workshop. So this workshop is basically give you the basics information and let you make a smaller project. After this, you have like visual vision of the technology. So you have like you will get inside that, and you make a, let's say in mobile, Study Jam in mobile, you are making an application. You are learning so fast, like the technology in just like smaller steps. Then you are making an application. You are facing with how to make application and working on the application. In website, you are also making the back end and the front end, and you just started. You just didn't know all the language, but we are just giving you the basic information that you will start with. So you will have more knowledge about it and just experience how you start. And here we have when we end language, we will end up learning machine learning and artificial intelligence and work some project in that field. I didn't understand your question. Can you please explain more? Can you explain, Farhan? I'm sorry if I say your name wrongly. As he's saying, he won 1 million coders. Congratulations for you, but I don't think I think I hear something like this, but I'm not sure about the details.
Aziz, is it about the Turkish?
Is it Turkish program? Or
Maybe,
something?
yeah.
That's right. But I think I hear 1 million coder before. I think I saw it in LinkedIn before. Okay, so nothing else. What is it? So, if you don't have any other question, guys, we can end our session from here. And yeah, here answer again. Sorry, I'm interested in AI, and I was wondering if we will do work learning that. Yeah, of course we will do a workshop in AI and artificial intelligence and machine learning, and we will get let's say real experience workshop with it. Like you will get inside Google Cloud Platform, and you will start to make starting to work in the like real cloud problems or real cloud stuff. You will learn more about it in the future, because I also don't know that much information about cloud. I didn't start before. So in the here in the program which government start, I couldn't understand Bilal one. Bilal, can you type your questions? Can you repeat your question again?
I think he typed to Aziz.
Okay, it's fine.
Arkadaşlar sorularınız varsa Türkçe olarak da yazabilirsiniz.
Yeah, feel free to ask. No problem. Okay, here we have Noha. She said, I'm interested in cyber security. We will learn or do something related to it. Yes, we can do. We have some speakers about cybersecurity. If you are interested, and if we have like some other university also interest, so we will do a like introduction to cybersecurity for you. But in the future, if there is more students who are interested in cybersecurity, yeah, we will make like more workshop. We will give more support. But like we will give basic information. Then who has more attendance, we will push more. Here, it's not a program for Arab. That's why creating. Okay. Thank you, guys. I can see they start to share the ideas. We are excited as us. That's cool. Please feel free to join the Discord, and we can just keep talking over there. Okay, guys. Is there any other question? I don't want to end without finishing all of your questions. And in the future, if you have any question, just feel free to ask in any of our social media accounts or in our Discord as well. And here this is our social media account. So feel free to follow us and ask any question if you are not. What is the Discord link? Discord link, you will find it in our social media account as well. There is a QR code over there, so you can join. Or my team can send it to you if they have it right now. Yes, thank you, guys. So yeah, this is our Discord link. And here is our Twitter link. We cannot wait to Karina. And here also our LinkedIn link. LinkedIn. So guys, let's make it done. Thank you so much for coming. Really, thank you. I'm really happy to have this session with you. I'm really happy to just know you from the chat, and I'm really excited to know you more and talk with you more about what can we do together. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you to the core team for helping me to prepare this event, and thank you for everyone around. Thank you so much, Karina. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, Aziz. Thank you so much, Bilal. Also, Karina, thank you so much for your questions.
Okay, what is next, guys? Umar, thank you, guys. Yeah, I'm so excited. Please do not forget to join. I will wait for you this night. Okay. Okay. So, welcome Hazal to the chat. Hazal is
Merhaba.
also.
Welcome, Hazal.
Hoş buldum. Welcome to.
Hazal will give you the summary of our event.
İsterseniz evet genel bir özet yapabilirim. Burada olanlar için. Hepiniz hoş geldiniz öncelikle. Kulübümüz Google Geliştirici Kulüp diye geçiyor. Sadece Google teknolojilerine değil, bunun yanında Instagram hesabımızdan da takip edebilirsiniz. Diğer HTML, frontend, backend olsun teknolojide sizi bu konuda geliştirmek istiyoruz. Birkaç sorulara da dikkat ettim. Gelecekteki etkinliklerimizi açıklamak istiyorum. Gelecekteki etkinliğimiz 7 Ocak'ta Bilal Çınarlı'yla web üzerine olacak. Burada workshop tarzında değil de hani daha çok sohbet tarzında ve kendisini araştırabilirsiniz. Bayağı tecrübesi olan bir insan. Bize hani dili de İngilizce olacak bunu da söyleyeyim. Ama sorular kendisi Türk olduğu için Türkçe de sorabilirsiniz. Yine canlı gerçekleşecek şu an için. Bu şekilde. Workshoplar sertifikalı olacak mı, olmayacak mı? Katılım belgesi sağlayacağız. Size linkin olsun. Diğer şeylerinizi de tutabilirsiniz. Gaming Fest, ya bu not aldım birkaç sorular hani Türkçe tabii hepiniz anladınız ama özet için söylüyorum. Gaming Fest'te düşünüyoruz ama dediğimiz gibi Ocak ayında bizim 18-31 Ocak'ta sınav haftamız olduğu için diğer aylara sarkmış durumda. Bu şekilde eğer Türkçe sorularınız varsa alabilirim. Hepinize bu arada teşekkür ederiz. Katılım sağladığınız için. Hello Karina.
Ayrıca bütün etkinliklerimiz bu YouTube kanalımızda olacak. O yüzden YouTube kanalımızda eğer abone olursanız ayrıca bildirimleri de alabilirsiniz. Muhammed, you are mute.
Thank you.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. No one saw anything. Right?
No.
Welcome back. I'm back here. Yes, we have here some question.
Hazal, sen cevapla istersen.
Evet, şimdi gördüm biraz ekrana geç düşmüş. Kusura bakma Bilal. Şimdi workshoplar hangi bir platform üzerinden olacak demişsin. Şimdi şöyle düzenliyoruz. Bu bizim ilk etkinliğimiz olacağı için en iyi YouTube seçeneği var. Hem sizin soru cevap anlık olacağı için workshopları YouTube üzerinden düzenlemeye çalışıyoruz. Bunun yanında alternatiflerimiz Google Meeting olsun, Discord yayınlarımız olsun. Bunları size birkaç hafta öncesinden söyleyeceğiz. Haberiniz olacak. Çalışmaları birazcık daha açarsam, yani size kayıt üzerinden bir video izletmeyeceğiz. Bunu söyleyeyim. Canlı şekilde olacak. Katılım belgesi hazırlayacağız. Beraber projeler geliştirilecek Bilal. Bunlar dediğim gibi şu an Ocak ayına bir ay öncesinden plan yapabiliyoruz. Diğer büyük toplantılarda diğer üniversitelerle bağlantılı olduğumuzda kesin bir şey bilebiliriz. Peki çalışmalara ne zaman başlarız tahminen? Web Android Studio veya kodlama için demiş Fatih. Burada Web Android Studio veya kodlama için biz Şubat ayından sonrasını düşünüyoruz dediğimiz gibi. İlk olarak biz size bir anket sunduk biliyorsunuz ki. Bu ankette de web daha yoğunlukta. Bu yüzden web üzerinden yapacağız. Sonrasında Android geliştirme daha yüksek çıktığı için sizin oylamanın sonucu hangisi en yüksek çıktıysa ona doğru toplantılar, workshoplar yapmak istiyoruz. Bu sadece böyle de olmayacak. Biz girişimcileri de size işte Google'da olsun, kendi çevremizden tanıdığımız insanlar olsun, size girişimcilikle ilgili kendi tecrübelerini anlatacak insanları da getirmeye çalışacağız. Tamamdır o zaman. Sorunu yanıtladıysam güzelce. Ne mutlu bana. Biraz heyecan var tabii ki Bilal. Rica ederim Fatih Bey. Bu şekilde arkadaşlar, gerçekten burada sizi de yanımızda görmek çok mutlu ediyor bizi. İlk başta herkesin dediği gibi başta zordur ama zaten her şey başta zor gelir diye biz bu yola başladık. Siz de bizi destekliyorsunuz. Teşekkür ederiz. Diğer toplantılarda, diğer workshoplarda hepinizi görmek üzere diyorum. Başka bir soru yoksa. Başkanımızı alalım buraya.
Welcome back again.
Welcome, Ahmet.
It's an internet problem.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. A new question. I cannot understand.
Hakan Bey'e özel istek gelmiş buradan. Sonsuz teşekkür ettiğini söylüyor. The end of the meeting, Mohammed. We are done.
Okay. Okay, thank. I would love to share with you that in the end of this year, in 30 of December, okay, we will have a movie night together. All of us, we will watch. I think Harry Potter. We decide we will watch Harry Potter movie. All of us together from Discord. So I'm so happy to have you invite all of you to come to our stream over there. Don't miss it. Make a reminder and please come and join us. So all of us will end this year together.
Okay, Muhammed.
Okay.
Okay. 30 Aralık'ta bir film gecemiz olacak. Şu anlık Harry Potter olarak düşündük fakat Discord kanalımızda kararlaştıracağız. O yüzden Discord kanalımıza da katılmayı unutmayın.
Linki bir daha atalım mı? İsterseniz.
Tabii.
Şu an
Bence
paylaşabilirim. Tamamdır.
And also something else I want to announce. Please do not forget to join our website. I will just share it with you. The links, or the link there. And from this website as well, you can see the other universities, and you can see all the DSC around the world and know more information about them. So please do not forget to join us from there. So we will share our activity from there as well. And you will be able to see the other university everywhere, all the regions. We will wait for you. And we will have also special events from there, from this platform, just inside. That's all for me. Do you have anything to add, Mert?
No, thank you.
No,
You're
thank
welcome.
you so much for everything, for joining.
Thanks to you. Thanks for all of you to come to watch our meeting. I'm really happy. I'm so much happy to have you all here, and I hope also we will have more video talk to each other in the future. Thank you so much for coming.
Katılımlarınız için çok teşekkür ederiz arkadaşlar. Eğer canlı yayınımızı beğendiyseniz aşağıdan beğenmeyi ve kanalımıza da abone olmayı unutmayın lütfen. Görüşmek üzere.
Görüşmek üzere.
Görüşmek üzere. Mutlu yıllar şimdiden.
Mutlu yıllar şimdiden.
Bye bye. See you guys.